Hey guys, hope you're well. Thank you for watching this video and landing here. My name is Miles and I'm recording this in the heart of the New Forest, which is a place I love to come to when I'm not working and coaching in London and Essex. This video is basically a quick intro into Following the Moon, which is a UK retreat service specializing in wellness and holistic therapies. It's also an online coaching platform and hub, so you have access to these outside of the retreats as well. Designed really to allow people to re-find their health, happiness and vitality. And we do that by giving you practices that not only boost your energy, but also will allow you to sense and feel and integrate with your energy field for restorative processes by doing things like Qigong and Daoist Meditation, amongst others. Now, not only that, we give you the tips and the tricks in order to rebalance your nervous system and really quieten down and calm that overstimulated mind, which so many people suffer from in this day and age. And we do that with a lot of Eastern practices, like mentioned Qigong, Tai Chi, meditation, breathwork, sound healing as well. And these practices have really stood the test of time. They've been supporting human balance and holistic healing and spiritual connection for thousands of years. So we're really going to bring those to the forefront and showcase a lot of them and how they work. Now, if that resonates with you guys, and this, if you can actually hear this through all the wind, it's going to give my windbreaker microphone a good run for its money. But if this resonates with you guys and you want to find out more, then please subscribe and follow and get in touch, and we'll update you on what events are coming up, what retreats we've got, as well as how to access the online platform should you wish to. So hope to connect soon. Thanks for your time.